In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Cred. We're focusing on downloading it on an Android device, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. To do this, look for the Play Store icon. It's usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Go ahead and tap on it to launch the store. This store is your gateway to a world of apps, and it's where we'll find Cred. Once you're in the Google Play Store, you'll need to search for Cred. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Cred, then tap the search button. This will bring up a list of apps related to your search query. Cred should be among the top results. Now, locate the app named Cred, UPI, credit cards, bills. It's important to choose the correct app to ensure you're downloading the right one. Tap on the app name to proceed to its details page. This page contains information about the app, including ratings and reviews, which can be helpful if you're unfamiliar with the app. At this point, you'll see an install button. Tap on it to start downloading the app. This is a crucial step because tapping install initiates the download process. The download size and your internet speed will determine how long this takes, so be patient. While waiting for the download to finish, let me share a quick insight. Downloading directly from the Google Play Store ensures that the app is safe and free from malware. This is why it's always recommended to use official app stores. Once the download is complete, you'll be prompted with an open button. Go ahead and tap open. This action will launch the app for the first time, allowing you to start exploring its features. You will typically see a welcome screen or a brief introduction to the app's functionalities. And there you have it. The Cred app is now ready for you to use. Take a moment to explore its features. Whether you're managing credit cards, paying bills, or exploring rewards, Cred is designed to simplify these tasks. Remember, if you ever need to access the app again, you can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. With that ready, you've successfully downloaded and opened Cred on your Android device. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your internet connection or ensuring your device has enough storage space. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide made downloading Cred a breeze for you. Enjoy using the app and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.